So there's a little update on the van. We've done the roof. Here it is, it's on. There is the roof. We have our spotlights there. It's all attached and looks pretty nice. So attached, instead of cutting the hole in the roof there, connected the wires straight to the LED lights, and it looks much nicer. I can control it with a remote, which is right here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's test out the lights. There we go. Lights, adjust the brightness. So 25%, 50%, and 100%. Switch off. Amazing. So here it is, it's stuck. So I need to open it from inside. So I'll try to remove this. I need to take the screw off, pop this off, and see what's happening, why the handle is not working. Previously it was ripped off. I don't know how that happened. So it's opened up, and I think that's the handle. I think something's broken off. So the problem is the handle is worn out right here. We'll try to DIY it somehow to get it back into place. Okay, this is all fixed.